We're just standing in front of an Opel car. So basically this is the key of the car, and this is Opel Astra. I think this is 2004 model, fully maintained. Check out the paint quality. Although it has been repainted, but the quality of the paint is really very good. Check out the side profile of this car. I really love Opel cars. Opel Corsa, Opel Astra and Opel Vectra were in sale in India. Hatchback version of it also there. So this is there. This is how it looks from the front. Check out the side profile. Alloys are of course aftermarket. Blacky chrome finish is there. Check out from the back. So let's unlock this car. So this is how the instrument cluster of this car look like. Here we will get the tachometer, speedometer and fuel gauge, and temperature gauge is also there. And if you will look side, mirror is missing. From here you can control, you can unlock the car, and these are the switches for the power window, up and down. The knob headlight where you can turn on for parking and turn on for the headlight, you can see. And these are the switches of fog light and defogger. You want to access the cabin light, just you have to pull, you can turn on the light. 3-spoke steering wheel, Opel logo on the middle, and on the middle screen you can check out the temperature, outdoor temperature, indoor temperature, time zone, etc. You can access the time from here. As the old car, when I smoke, the feature is here. Cigarette lighter, ashtray, and turn off, and by pressing this button you can access the smoking area of here. To turn on the defogger, and turn on like this, turn off, you can access here. This is the ventilation, AC turn and off. And here is the glove box, really very deep glove box. Here you can keep the CDs of all time. And this is the aftermarket light is also there. You can turn off the light. So this is the interior. Check out. The gear shifting are like this. You have to pull to put on the reverse this side. Multi-port injection. So let's put the key of this car.
Other food.